MAT1033 Final Exam Review Question 62. We have a product, square root of 6 plus 5 times the square root of 2 minus square root of 3. And we need to distribute. We can look at it like a binomial times a binomial and use our foiling. Square root of 6 times square root of 2 would be square root of 12. Both have a symbol. Bring them together. Product rule. Oh, minus, I'm doing the inside, okay, minus square root of 18, square root of 6 times square root of 3, plus, now 5 is out, doesn't have a symbol, 2 does, so we have to leave it as 5 times the square root of 2, and then same thing with 5 and square root of 3. Okay, now we need to see if there's a simpler form of these, and 12 actually it has a perfect square factor of 4, and that's 4 times 3, which means this is 2 square root of 3, and then 18 is 9 times 2, which means that is minus 3 square root of 2. Then we've got plus 5 square root of 2, 2's prime, no perfect square factors, and then 5 times square root of 3, 3 is prime. Alright, do we have any of these values that we can combine? Oh, yep, both of those have square root of 3, and both of these have square root of 2, so we would end up with negative 3 square root of 3, and then plus 2 square root of 2 for the product. MAT1033 Final Exam Review Question 63. I'm supposed to rationalize the denominator, and I have 6 over the square root of 2. Rationalizing the denominator means that we're going to multiply top and bottom of the fraction by a value that would give us a perfect square in the bottom so that we can find that square root. So we're going to multiply the denominator by itself, and of course we have to multiply the numerator by itself in order to maintain something equivalent to what we started with. We end up with 6 square root of 2 over the square root of 4, which is 6 square root of 2 over 2. Now 6 square root of 2 is 6 times square root of 2, and this, because it's a product on the top and there's a single value in the denominator, we can reduce this. Okay, and end up with 3 square root of 2 over 1, which is just 3 square root of 2.